Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to add a stock to your watch list in Yahoo Finance. This is super helpful tool if you want to track individual stock and get notification when price change or see updates on any news related to the stock you're watching. Even if you are already invested, having them on your watch list can help you to stay informed about your investment. First, open Yahoo Finance, and if you are on a browser, you can see here my portfolio. And below my portfolio, you can see my watch list. And here we go. Click on this symbol to add any stock in your watch list. So I want to add like Apple stock. So I will add symbol. So yeah, you can see the stock is added in my list. So from here, all the notification, all the news related to the Apple stock will notify me, and I can watch this stock. So yeah, here you can use this for getting notification easily, and that's it. All there is to it. If you have any question or run into any issue, feel free to have a leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.